Hey guys, Brian here, and I'm here to show you an iPhone trick that you can use in your day-to-day life. Did you know that you can use your phone without having to touch it? You can browse through TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts without having to physically touch your phone? Here's how. Just head over to Settings, Accessibility, Voice Control, and make sure it's turned on. Now you can command your phone to do anything, like open TikTok, open Instagram. You don't even have to say, "Hey Siri." You can also set up custom gestures by going to Voice Control, Custom Commands, Custom, Create New Command, set a phrase that you would like to use as the gesture. I would set it as next since that's easier to use and it's easier to say out loud. And then set an action for it. Run custom gesture and swipe up for my gesture. And then save. And then head over to application. Choose what applications you would like the command to apply in. I would choose YouTube or TikTok, but I like TikTok more, so I will choose TikTok. And then save. And that's it. And now you can watch YouTube videos or TikTok videos or Instagram Reels while eating chips without having to worry about greasing up your phone. Just set it somewhere and command away. If you learned something today, we upload videos like this every Sunday, so follow us for more Apple hacks, Apple tips, and Apple news.